All right, what's up, everybody? This is 2015-16 Panini Court Kings basketball 5-box break number 9. Filled up on jaspyshobland.com. Thanks everyone for joining. Good luck. So here we go. We're gonna go 6 times, and all the Black Friday packs giveaways. Those will be done at the end. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Joey up top. We got Bill at the 30 spot. Right there. 6 times on the teams. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We got Timberwolves up top and Sixers at the bottom. So your teams. Joey's got the Timberwolves. Conrad's got the Heat. Joey's got the Mavericks. Justin has the Wizards. Shawnee has the Clippers. Jason H has the Spurs. Colin has the Warriors. Randy has the Toronto Raptors. Joey's got the Cavs. Zach's got the Thunder. Peyton's got the Pelicans. Nick's got the Pistons. Ryan's got the Knicks. Justin has the Portland Trailblazers. Joseph has the Grizzlies. Joey's got the Rockets. Bill's got the Kings. TJ's got the Nets. Corey has the Lakers. Bill has the Suns. Todd has the Nuggets. Colin's got the Bucks. Zach has the Magic. Joey's got the Pacers. David has the Celtics. Andrew's got the Bulls. Landon has the Hawks. Joey's got the Hornets. Peyton's got the Jazz. And Bill has the Sixers. So there you go. That was the random video. So when we come back, do all the trades and whatnot, and yeah, be right back. All right, what's up, everybody? No trades, so we are back. Court Kings number 9, 5-box break. Next one is in the store from a fresh case. So there you go. Not been one yet. Oh, so we might see a box topper auto. I know last year there were 1 per case. I don't know about this year though. Good luck. So we got base in the back, right? Yep. All right, we got Karl Anthony Towns. I don't know any of these yet. DeLon Wright. So those are not numbered. Dwayne Wade. Carmelo Anthony. Jabari Parker. Nurkic. And we got number to 100. Willie Cauley-Stein, nice one for the Kings. That's Bill H, 26/100. We got Swagger, Kenneth Faried, not numbered. Number to 40, nice on-card auto for the Bucks, Michael Carter-Williams. That's going out to Colin with the Bucks. Number 30/40. And we got number to 299, Jimmy Butler. Artistic Endeavors for the Bulls. That is Andrew R. The Bulls. Get this penny sleeved. I like the, I'm a sucker for those on-card autos. I like them. Oh, what's up, Ron? Yeah, you don't get a lot of base cards per box. Unlike the other ones. This is really a group-breaking product, seems like. Man, these are tough to open here. Joe probably just does this, right? All right, for the Spurs, Kawhi Leonard. Box topper for the Spurs, Jason H. Maybe I just have weak hands. I just don't want to damage it. All right, box 2. All right, we got Trey Lyles, Mario Hezonja. Got Blake Griffin, Gary Harris, Paul Millsap, Aaron Gordon, and Brennan Jennings. We got number 100 for the Clippers, Blake Griffin. That is going out to Shani. We got Eric Bledsoe, Expressionists, and number 25. Nice on-card auto, Norris Cole. Forgot he went to the Pelicans. That's Peyton right there with the Pelicans. Number 13 out of 25. And we got number 299, Kyrie Irving. Jersey for the Cavs, Joey. And the box topper. On auto. Man, this thing's really tough to open. There we go. It is Kevin Durant for the Thunder. It's a nice photo. Kevin Durant, Oklahoma City Thunder, Zach. Nice one there. KD, still no auto on that box topper. Yeah, I read that they're one per case, and a few people said there hasn't been one yet, so might see one. Miles Turner, Justin Anderson, Dirk, Patrick Beverly, Kenneth Faried, Rudy Gobert. We got George Hill, frame, not numbered. Steph Curry Swagger. We got number 199, nice. On-card auto for the Pistons, Bill Laimbeer. Detroit Pistons hit going out to Nick. And we got number 299, Sam Decker. Jumbo jersey for the Rockets. Joey. They have college box toppers, TJ? I didn't know that. I mean, if it's got more than one team, it'll probably be a random. We got LeBron James. That's Cavs, Heat, and Cavs. Got the random this one, speaking of it. LeBron James. Young. Kind of young. Old. So Cavs is Joey, and the Heat is Conrad. So Cavs will be in twice, and the Heat will be in once on that one. Don't forget that. That'd be cool if he signed it. What if it was like an autograph box topper? Signed it 3 times. That'd be pretty funny. Oh, there can be. Gotcha. All right, we got Miles Turner. Justin Anderson, Derrick Rose, CJ McCollum, LeBron James, James Young, Kobe Bryant, framed for the Lakers. Eric Bledsoe swagger, we got 250 points. Be randomized at the end of the break. We got on-card auto Dakari Johnson for the Thunder. Zach. We got number to 199 on-card auto Joe Ingles. Man, 4 hits this box. That's Jazz. Peyton. And we got number to 99. Very nice. 2-on-2. Kyrie Irving, LeBron James versus Steph Curry and Klay Thompson. Nice hit. That would be random between Joey with the Cavs and the Golden State Warriors, which is Colin. That's a cool one. Kyrie, LeBron, Steph, and Klay. 65 of 99. That's a pretty nice one. Another random. Man, that was a nice box. 2 autos, the points, and a quad jersey. Pretty nice. Box topper. It is R.J. Hunter auto. Look at that. We called it. R.J. Hunter box topper auto. That's going out to the Celtics. That's a rookie. Boston Celtics. That's Big Boys. 007. Nice. A little white in the corners there. This thing is huge. R.J. Hunter. That's pretty nice. I like the hollow foil on it. Those are awesome. Yeah, 1 per case, so I guess wasn't hit yet. All right, last box. Good luck. Nice hit. Big Boys 007. Oh, nice. Just put in a bid for that card. Yeah, I wonder what the print is on each one of those. They're not numbered. Probably just depends on the player. All right. We got Cameron Payne, Stanley Johnson, Ricky Rubio, Jordan Clarkson, Brandon Knight, Mike Conley. We got Kelly Oubre for the Wizards, not numbered. A swagger. Who's this? Oladipo. Man. For the Knicks, going out to Ryan. On-card auto, Kristaps Porzingis. Nice hit. Look at that. Going out to Ryan. Nice hit, Ryan. Porzingis. That's a nice one. Man, nice little 5-box break right there. He looks like a little like me. Really? I don't know about that. He's pretty goofy looking. Where is he from again? No. From Latvia. I don't think I've any Latvian blood in me. But you never know, I guess. We got a jumbo jersey of Rashawn Holmes for the Sixers. 298 of 299. It might be like part Latvian, I don't know. Got to go to like Ancestry.com. That's Bill. And a jumbo jersey, Miles Turner for the Pacers, number 299. That's Joe. Hey, if I look a little like him and that means I could play basketball like him, I'll definitely take that. All right. Or make as much money as him. All right, we got for the Wizards, Bradley Beal. I like these photos. That's Justin with the Wizards. All right, everybody. We got a couple randoms to do. Let me lay them out here. We got 250 points. This 2-on-2 quad jersey, Cavs and Wizards. Or I'm sorry, and Warriors, the other W team. And then we got this LeBron James box topper. Alright, so be right back. Start those randoms. Alright, we are back. Get this out of the way. The first random we need to do is this triple. LeBron Cavs, LeBron Heat, LeBron Cavs. So we're going to roll the dice. How many times we're going on all 3 randoms. 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The Cavs win that one. So that is Joey with the box topper of LeBron. Next one, 6 times, is this quad jersey. I had it right here. We got Kyrie, LeBron, and then Steph Curry and Klay Thompson 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. The Warriors stay on top. Nice hit for Colin right there. And then the final random, the top 5 names will win Black Friday packs in order. So I got them right here. So we'll just go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in order. And whoever comes number 6 will win this 250 points right there. Correct. All right. 6 times. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Jason H wins pack 1. Joey wins pack 2. Zach wins pack 3. Joey wins pack 4. Todd wins pack 5. And Ryan wins the 250 points. So thanks everybody for watching. We're going to pause the video and then we'll get started with the Black Friday packs. Alright, we are back. Pack 1, which is a pack on top, goes to Jason H. Good luck, Jason. Camera's all off here. There we go. Good luck, Jason. Alright, we got Kyrie Irving. And, very nice, David Johnson jersey. A little bit of 2 color there, a little piece of white. A little white in the corner, too. So that is Jason H. with that one. Jason H. Let me write that down. Second one is Joey. Joey's got pack 2. Good luck, Joey. What's up, Kip? How's it going? Alright, we got Tom Brady. And Magic Johnson, legend. That was for Joey. Tom Brady. Pack number 3. Going out to Zach K. Good luck, Zach. We got Derrick Rose. And number to 599. Nice, Jahlil Okafor. Rookie number to 599. That was Zach K. And these will go out with anything you got in the Court Kings. That goes for all these. Alright, pack 4 is another one for Joey. Good luck, my friend. Pack 4. We got Bryce Harper. And nice, Odell Beckham Jr. Look at that. Tools of the Trade. Camouflage patch, Odell Beckham. Nice hit, Joey, right there. That's a nice looking card. piece of the towel. Pretty nice. That was for Joey. From before New Year's Eve, I do not believe so. I think they're still shipping out some stuff from the 30th and 31st day. We didn't ship anything yesterday, and on New Year's Eve we got some stuff out. But I think the post office closed early. All right, we got Dallas Keuchel. Sorry, this pack is for Todd H. Dallas Keuchel and number to 599, Stanley Johnson. So there you go. Thanks everyone for watching. Thanks for joining. That was Todd's pack, and that was Court Kings basketball number 9.